Remodeling a home in New York City, one of the world's most vibrant cities, is a dream come true for many homeowners. However, it can come with a unique set of challenges. Considering factors like the scope of work, required permits, and labor costs should be on the top of your list. Let's learn more from our local experts at Tight Lynx Construction.
Owning a home in New York City is one of the goals that a lot of people want to have, but it's a big commitment. A lot of times, even when people buy a home, it's they need a lot of renovations done to their home, so that choosing the right contractor will make that dream come true. It's very important to use the right contractor because most people are not reliable, they're not honest, and they scam. They only care about the money, and they leave the homeowner in violation sometimes and in mess. When people are looking to renovate, they should focus on getting a contractor who are honest, reliable, who are credentialed. They're licensed within DOB, they're licensed within DCA, and they have their insurance and all the criteria. Having references is very important, so that they can refer to past work that somebody have done before. Tight Lynx Construction is very reliable. We do the work quickly, efficient, professional, and we do the right steps in order to get the job done. We do everything from interior to exterior. There's no job that we haven't seen or done that we haven't completed 100% satisfactory.
By planning meticulously, navigating the city's regulations, and working with the right professionals, you can transform your NYC home into a functional and stylish living space.
So it doesn't matter what kind of projects you got, bathroom, kitchen, concrete, new construction, renovation, we're here to cover it all. I think the one thing that separates us from other construction companies is that we are reliable, we are truthful, we get the job done quick, we are very affordable, and we are trustworthy. Tight Lynx is a play on word. Basically, it signifies courage, is relatable to the animal lynx, which is very ferocious and courageous. And it's also, when you hear the word lynx, it sounds like LINKS, which stands for unity. We lynx every licensed professional there is to solve a problem, whether it's electrical work, plumbing work, architectural work, or construction. We are unified to help the customer.
There are a lot of challenges in a home when it comes to interior designing. Some of those challenges would lead from simple time management, as well as budgeting, and as well as curating a design for a space based on the size of that space. We have clients that want their home to be designed within a particular timeline, and we have to work around that client's timeline so that we can please them the best way that we can. Budgeting sometimes, most times that is, becomes challenging because in cases whereby the client may have an idea that they want for their home, but it may or may not fit their budget. However, we do try to curate a budget that will be manageable for that client so that they can at least, or in most cases, get their dream home and feel comfortable in their homes. Space is always a big deal. Sometimes we have to downsize on what pieces we require or the client requires for that home, and sometimes we need to upsize. Those are some challenges, but we do offer many solutions to please our clients. A lot of homeowners are not aware of the types of design they need or they like for their home. Where I come in is I help to demonstrate what the types of designs are. We would, in most cases, demonstrate using a 3D panel for the client, so they have a visual of what the layout of their home would be. Okay, once that is approved, and then it's a go. In regards to giving a client any tips or tricks when it relates to interior designing for their home, I would require demonstrating or identifying your space, ensuring that your space is workable, and secondly, ensuring that whatever pieces you choose for your space, it would not clutter your space, or it would not leave your space leaving looking empty at the same time. So your space, your color palette, choose colors that you are more comfortable with. Choose colors that you want to either make your home look cozy or large. When it comes to area rugs, you want to choose area works that goes with the aesthetic of your home, like your furniture, your wall art, your sculpture. Now, throw pillows are a thing. It's a big thing. Everyone loves a throw pillow. You're cozy up on the couch. You want a comfortable pillow, and the down pillows are the best one. Comfortable. Again, color matters. Aesthetic. Keep in mind whatever your design is, your pillows, your rugs, it should all align. In cases whereby I have a client who has little to no knowledge about designing or has no cares, like some of my male clients, they're not very exposed to the interior designing. This is where we come in with our demonstration. We put pieces together such as cloth, such as color, and we let them choose what color they like, and then we blend it with that so that they know, like, okay, this is what you like, we can work with this. We can have pillows, make you feel comfortable. We can have a rug. You want a man cave, we can create a man cave, make you comfortable in your man cave. We can also make you comfortable in your bedroom or your living room. We can make your kitchen, make you want to cook every day. We just highlight every single thing for your liking. So working along with Tight Lynx Construction has been one of the most rewarding and commendable jobs. We work as a team and we're able to execute every project to please our clients. What one person or one team member is short on, the other picks up. So everyone puts in their ideas, their innovation, and that project becomes something miraculous.
When we have somebody calling us for home renovation, we basically go to their home, show them all the ideas that we can possibly do in their home, show them the price range of everything, and make them know that what they're facing before it starts. We're very meticulous in the work that we do. We do not cut corners at all. We pride ourselves on using the best materials because the best materials last longer, is more durable, it gives you a better review in the long run. We pride ourselves by making homes handicap accessible by putting ramps in entryways, bars in bathrooms. We make it customizable so that way they can reach certain areas without actually getting up. So we have a customer that have disability, we prioritize their needs.
With customer service being second to none, customers refer Tight Lynx Construction again and again.
We strive on making people see the improvements in their home. We love the reaction that we get from people when we see the smile on their face and they see that the job is a well done job, and everybody comes to them and asks, who did this job? We had people crying, bursting in tears because they couldn't actually believe what they was walking into after it was finished. We made them so happy.
For more information on Tight Lynx Construction, visit tightlinksconstruction.com or go to our website at designingspaces.tv.